This How to 1 Minute will show you how to solve lagging and skipping when playing 4K in VLC Media Player. Method 1. Update VLC. Update your VLC Media Player to the latest version. In fact, VLC 3.0 and higher versions provide better 4K video support. Method 2. Enable GPU acceleration in VLC. From VLC menu, click Tools, Preferences. Now click on Input Codecs and click on Hardware Accelerated Decoding and select Disable. Save settings. Close your VLC and restart it again. See if the 4K video plays smoothly this time. Method 3. Change VLC cache time. Increasing cache value can improve the smoothness in video playback. You can change the file caching value from 300 3 seconds to thousands for intense. Keep adjusting the value until you find one that suits you. Click on Tools, Preferences, and click on Input Codecs and select Show Settings All. Now click on Input Codecs and scroll down until you find the Advanced section, and in this section you'll find this file caching and network caching. So you can now from here you can change the value of network caching and file caching. Then make sure to save and close your VLC, restart it, and check the problem if fixed or not. Method 4. Change VLC video output settings. Changing output settings from automatic to DirectX, OpenGL, and Direct Draw are proved as workable for many users. You can go to Tools, Preferences, Video, and click on Output drop-down, and from here you can select DirectX OpenGL video output for Windows and make sure to save. Method 5. Click on Tools, Preferences, check Show Settings All, and Expand Video Codecs, and now click on FFmpeg. Now change threads from the default 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4 or other numbers. Now save the settings, close VLC and restart it. Then load your 4K HDR videos. So follow these methods to fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.